Today we're going to talk about men taking your cojones back.
I woke up one morning and everyone in Hollywood had lost their common sense. So I am here to put common sense back into Hollywood. One vlog at a time. I'm Lydia Nicole, your common sense mamita.
Lately, I have been disgusted by the things that I've been seeing on television and in social media. The revelation has hit me how men have been castrated, and I am totally disturbed by this, even though I'm ashamed to admit that I used to be a warrior castrator. I could snatch them up, dress them up, and hand them back in one swoop. I was better than Bruce Lee. But now that I'm older, wiser, and more mature, and have found Jesus, my main man, I have realized the error of my ways. And I see all the carnage that my sisters have left out there. So I'm here to clean it up. So men, I'm here to help you out. Here are 5 steps for you to take back your cojones. Step number 1, men, go find your balls if they haven't been handed back to you. And for you women listening, go into your treasure troves, take out those balls you've been collecting and hand them back to their rightful owners. They are not yours. They do not belong to you. Give them back. Step number 2, men, get yourself a needle and thread to reattach those limbs. And if you don't know how to sew, no problem. Get crazy glue or a nail gun, but no clip-ons, please. Number 3, men, take a moment and reclaim your manness. Number 4, take back your power, relieving women of their manly posts. Stop abdicating your position, forcing women to perform double duty as man and woman because it confuses them, and then they castrate you all over again. Step number 5, men, you gotta share ownership. That way women won't cut your balls off again. Remember, men and women are not equal, but they share equally. Men come with bats and balls, and women come with catcher's mitts. Unless you are hermaphrodite, then you come fully loaded. Bat, ball, catcher's mitt. Just remember, God gave you all separate body parts. Let's not confuse the two. And those women who are running around thinking they have balls, they're not yours. I told you before, give them back. Those are my steps for you in order to get your cojones back. If you follow them, you're gonna be fabulous.
If you have a good story about someone lacking common sense, or you just want to out yourself, share your story with me on Twitter, Facebook, or email. And if it's good enough and I use it, I will send you a Common Sense Mamita t-shirt in your size.